Hello and good morning, family. How is everyone doing? Um, Hope you're enjoying your weekend so far. I'm checking in just to let you know that it's been a minute since I posted a video. I'm aware I'm going through a transition right now. Some things are going on in my personal life, but I'm still on my intermittent fasting diet. Okay, and I'm seeing results. So, like I said, my next weigh-in will be the first week of July, and so I'll let you know. Well, you'll see then, you know, what has happened with my weight. So, um, and like I said, it's a slow process, and never mind. I'm not going to say anymore. Just I just wanted to remind you that that is when my next weigh-in will be, and that I'm dealing with some things right now, and that's why I haven't posted a video in some time. But stay tuned. Um, I'm still on track, and I will be still sharing some recipes with you. Okay. I hope all of you are well, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sirius Weight Loss. Sirius is spelled Sirius, and weight loss with a dash in between, weight dash loss. Okay. I appreciate your support. Peace and love.